Hello guys. We are doing the setup for the robot framework Sikuli library automation, right? Now the current step is we need to okay, we see here. Here we have PyCharm IDE, Python installation is done. Setup IntelliJ bot plugin is also done. We have configured PIP and set the environment variables. And now the last step is install robot framework library and robot framework Sikuli library. So we need to install these packages in our for our project. Okay. Now go here. So launch the terminal. So now install pip install. Just type pip. See pip is installed in your system. Now pip install robot framework. Pip install robot framework. So it is downloading all the robot framework files, installing collected packages. Successfully robot package installed. Okay. 23 pip version is available. 23 version pip -v. Okay. Okay, pip is installed. Now install robot framework. Robot framework. Sikuli library. Pip install. See, it should be pip here. Pip install. Pip install robot framework. Sikuli library. Enter. So it also downloaded and all that. It includes all the dependencies also. Okay. So this library includes all the dependencies and the setup is done. Now robot framework uh, install robot framework libraries is done, and also robot framework library or package is also we have installed for our project. So next session we will start writing the test cases. Okay, good to go to write the test cases. Thank you.